everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious Sri Lankan Dhal Curry. For this recipe you will need these ingredients. First, wash the red lentils well until the water runs clear. Now add the dal to a pot with water, onion, garlic, green chili, curry leaves, pandan leaves and spices. Cook until the dal becomes soft and creamy. Now pour in the coconut milk to the cooked dal. Let it simmer gently for a few minutes. Now turn off the heat and set the dal curry aside. In another pan, heat some oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, chopped garlic, chili flakes and onions. Saute it until golden and fragrant. This step is optional, but it makes the dal curry taste even better. Add the tempered spices into the dal and mix everything together. Now your dal curry is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes.